So I just want to share a custom overlay that I just created for my client. It's a safety training in 3D. So obviously the base layer of technology is the Matterport, and we used a custom overlay from MP Skin, and we coded a few really unique aspects into this training, and I want to share that with you here. So we're in the presenter studio portion right now that we coded. So you're able to add your name and your title or handle, however you want to do this. So I'll just go safety 3D. So you could imagine if I'm the safety coordinator for this particular facility, I'm able to walk through this place, this facility with my new staff here. So I can move the presenter bubble, and then at the top I can show my staff that you click here to launch safety orientation, and that will pull up this 3D immersive safety training. So you fill in your name, company, role, and you begin. So the interesting thing about this strategy is that it takes you right to the location. The employee is able to immerse themselves in this environment safely and learn the safe procedures before they step foot on the floor. So you can imagine this room is going to be very loud and tough to communicate. So, you know, a lot of safety is very generic and not as immersive as this. So if we continue on our tour here, slips, trips, and housekeeping. So this is an example that you might see on site. This is down in the maintenance shop. They have pipes laying around, this pipe threader's spilling grease everywhere. That's a hazard for the client here, and we want to train the employees to not do that and not leave tripping hazards everywhere. So back to the safety module, we're just going to click through. And as you can see, again, with Matterport as the base layer, we're able to provide a lot of value to our client here. So we created 16 modules. I'll just click through here. And even for inspections, a lot of sites, the pain point is time and expense to travel. So remember that with your clients is that you're saving them quite a bit of time. So for inspections, and that's something I work on in my industry, is identifying hazards before they become an issue. So as you can see, the electrical panel's open and there's no one around working on it. So if I'm completing an inspection, I want to flag that and make sure nobody tampers with that if they shouldn't be working on it. So at the bottom here, once you're through the modules, you click begin assessment. A pass score is 80%. And you start reading the questions and answering them based on what you know about the site. If you're not sure, you can click on the location and it will give you the location we're talking about. So sanitization and a food processing plant is very important. We're going to click through. You should wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. I would say more than that, but that's the minimum. And all of these questions were customized for this client's needs. And then at the end, so inside the menu, you have your facility safety handbook, emergency response plan, WMIS, and then your certificate here of completion. So this is what the employee would get for completing that training. And all of this was coded inside Matterport overlay called MP Skin. If you're interested in getting the exact code frame that I used to build this, just comment safety in the comments and I'll be sure to send you that link. Thanks.